So guys, what's going on? Here I am. You see, we have been trading this account now since the 3rd of October of this year. The beginning capital of this account have been at 2.5 million. And now for the time the equity has been rising to over 4.8 million. That's more than 100% less than 4 weeks. Only in 1 month we are making this performance of this account. And what I wanted to say to a lot of people, maybe you are reading on the social media that Bitcoin has the best performance. I'll show you something that's much more better. If you look at this chart, and this is US dollar against the Argentina peso, it has been risen, and at this beginning of this chart we are here. You see that the market has been raising to over 58,000% in just 2 years, meaning if you have been putting some money in this market, you would have been not only rich, but I guess if you would have been buying every day or every week a little pieces, for now you would have been much more richer than Elon Musk. And you see that we are here at the highest high. 2 minutes ago it did another record high, and every day I am buying a piece of this market, right? So you see, it is very possible to be successful as trader, and therefore the only thing you need to have is only patience. Of course, you need to have ability of trading, but not fall into a trap to follow all those internet gurus, coaches, or the advertising you're watching in social media. By the way, Instagram maybe is going to censor me because, they are working with some companies. We know that though. And I have been posting some mails, but the underground posts, you need to ask me, and I'm going to send it to you to DM your Instagram account. The second one is, if you want to learn trading, you need also to share my posts, because it doesn't help you, So I don't care if somebody is doing good trading or not, because I can do it, right? So it does not affect my abilities. But I'm doing this because I'm gonna help people and really help people. And what is really help? Really help is to help someone without any expectations, right? Because out there are a lot of scammers, Ponzi's, and therefore sooner or later you will get trapped by those people. That's the hard and truth and reality. You know it, I know it, everyone know it. And if you say, okay, I'm not going to trap it, then you stay at your financial level where you are at this moment too. Because sooner or later, you need to take action of making some money for yourself, for your family, for your friends, to have a better quality in life, right? And we all know with your current day job, that amount and that level of wealth which you are expecting is not possible. We all know that. So trading is a privilege, it's an honor, and you need to work very hard for trading, to learn it, to have patience, and to be really, really psychologically being resilient and extremely successful and powerful at the same time. While some people asking me, I cannot keep the trend, trend following. Therefore, I'm trading it on 15-minute charts, on 1-hour charts. Guys, it's not leading to nowhere. If you are, I told you a lot of times, and I'm telling again, trend following is always on daily chart, time frame, and higher. 1 day, 2 daily, weekly, monthly. That's trend following. Everything below that is trapping you. That's where you are trapping yourself. And as long as you are telling yourself lies, you will not be successful. The reason is that you cannot hold trends and you have no patience, or maybe not affected consciously by you, but subconsciously. And that are a lot of signs of addiction and addictions you have. Addiction, being addicted, for example, to drugs, addicted to some kinds of bad activities, unhealthy activities, being addicted to sugar maybe. Make this experiment. From now on, exactly at this second, tell yourself, for the next 24 hours, or better, for the next 48 hours, you won't consume any products that have sugar. And you will see that after some hours, latestly after 24 and 48 hours, your body is building stress hormones. You will be seeing that you develop kinds of stress symptoms like headaches maybe, being angry, not being in good mood, and all those are signs that your body is addicted to sugar. So this is the most simplest but best experiment you can begin if you want to be a good trader. Why am I selling it? I'm saying it because sugar is unhealthy for your body. So that means your body logic knows this behavior to consume sugar-free products is very, very good and very healthy for you, but your subconscious mind, because you have been educated since your childhood to consume not sugar-free products, is trapping you and saying you, okay, give me sugar or I give you bad moods. And you need to fight that. You need to be strong and every day consume a little bit less sugar. And until you totally have control over yourself. The same if you're consuming or smoking cigarettes. And you see that you will have a lot of bad behaviors in you where you are really, really addicted to them. That's making you impatient. So that's the same in trading. You need a little bit every day to make that exercise. As you can see, with your account, you need to be invested in many markets. You see that I have many markets. I am in trends, and you see here are some green, some red numbers, trades I have been liquidating or trades that I have entered some minutes ago, some hours ago. Some are running, some are not running. But these red numbers, for example, are not scaring me anymore, right? Why not? Because I am trading the trend. And the trend is consisting of many ups and lows, going up and coming down. But as long as we stay in a trend, right? Like, for example, here, the market also, if you make it bigger, we see that the market going higher, coming down, going higher, coming down, going down, and coming down, and so on, right? Let's say we have been entering the market here. And every time the market coming here, we get scared, we take profit, we escape in lower time frames, and then some weeks later, some months later, we see, oh shit, right? If we would have been strong here and staying in the market, now our position would be in very big profit, right? And these phases of the markets, your body shows you exactly those signs of addiction if you are in a bullish trend. The same if the market coming down, right? Let's say we sell here, the market comes here, going up, we get scared, we take out the position, oh, I got some profits. And some weeks later, you see the market is down here, right? If you would be strong, then you would have taken that very, very big position. The next thing is you can maybe forecast for 1 day or 2 days or even a week where the market probably can go to. But you never, ever can predict how long a trend can last. And this is exactly the logic, the true logic behind trend following. And you need to work on your psychology, right? There are a lot of different systems you can maintain starting and being in a trend, right? So the second thing is, a lot of people say, okay, I am a trend follower. They are only in 1 or 2 markets. Guys, look at this. In how many markets still I am? At this moment, there are, in this account, 54 markets. And I'm monitoring every day some other markets to increase, right? Again, look at this. This potential profit I need to invest and to get in just more trades, because that's the job of trader, to make a lot of money out of a starting capital. And as a good trader, you should be always invested in a lot of monies and markets, right? In each market, you put one small piece, only 0.001% of your capital, for example, put your stop, and you enter the market once you have detected the right direction of the market, and you let it go, right? The trade is over if the trend changes. And the trend is never and can never happen on 1 hourly, 4 hourly, 12 hourly, 5 minutes chart, 1 second chart. That's just a big bullshit. A lot of people are trying to sell that bullshit to you because they use your greed and your emotions, right? Having Bugatti, having Lamborghinis, dancing, flirting with hot chicks on some Hawaiian or maybe some beaches, right, in Southern America or whatever. That's all good. Of course, you can do that. But first of all, you need to make that money, guys. Somebody who is selling you that product and talking about the emotions, guys, you immediately will know in the future that you are getting trapped, and you stand up and you want to immediately to leave that room, right? If you want to have financial freedom, you need to work very hard with patience, with discipline, and very deep desire out of your heart, right? You cannot jump from a trading system to another one. You cannot jump from, let's say, the way you are making money suddenly to the other one. You need to give the market enough time to develop. And with enough time, sometimes you need to wait for your trading opportunity to get in or to exit. A lot of people, for example, using, let's say, on these day traders, they trading on 30-minute charts, time frame. And they say, okay, the divergence, oh shit, it's not working. So let's see what's happening on 5 minutes time frame. Oh, okay, that's working. They get into the market, 1 minute, 2 minutes in profit. After 3 minutes, boom, they get hidden off the market, wiped out with big potential losses. And they say always, every time I am taking a trade, the trade goes against me. If I buy, suddenly the market goes down. If I sell, suddenly the market goes up. Why is that? I don't understand it. The reason is you get trapped because first, you are on lower time frames. Number two, if you are trading in a time frame, always stay in that time frame. Never change it. Why? Because maybe today the picture of your trading system is not working, but if you will have enough patience, in 3 days, in 1 week, in 2 weeks, maybe in 1 month, exactly that picture will work for you, meaning it's time to get into the trade. If you are in a trading time frame, whatever, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever, and your trading system is giving you confusing signals, it is time for you to stay out, to not trade. So guys, I hope this video can help you a little bit. Do me a favor, share my posts already. So I have been preparing a lot of new posts, especially about MicroStrategy and current Bitcoin rise. And today, I have already been mentioning during the last days, all the trend followers knew it, but today, 2 days ago, Coinbase announced they are going now to put a lot of regulations out there. And the first one they want to stop is Michael Saylor of MicroStrategy. So, because he's taking a lot of debts, and with that massive debt, he is going to buy the Bitcoins. The problem is, if this regulation on 19th of December are out by Coinbase, followed by Trump administration, then he's not able anymore. And we will have in the Q1 and Q2 of 2025 a lot of bad news. It's not Trump's fault, but it's because of current economic situation and the effects of interest rates cuts and inflation, and that will put MicroStrategy below a lot of pressures, and he needs to prevent a margin call to sell a lot of his Bitcoins, because MicroStrategy's product is zero. He has billions of debts. He's buying only Bitcoins, and if you compare the chart of MicroStrategy with Bitcoin, it's always the similar. So, and of course, he's doing it over the counter by a lot of scam advertisers. So a lot of advertisers work for him and his network. And therefore, guys, be aware, right? Avoid all those advertisers. Otherwise, you will burn not only your fingers, but you will burn also all your money, right? Be aware of that. I hope you will have a good day. Again, share my posts, guys, right? Otherwise, if I see, okay, nobody's going to share my posts, okay, why should I do that? Waste my time anymore? I won't do it, and you can pick up your information somewhere else. Have a good time, guys.